What you call me?
Alana, right?
Elena.
No, it's Elena, not Alana. I'm sorry.
No, you good because it's spelled like. Everybody say Alana, but it's pronounced Elena.
Elena.
Yeah.
How you like in Texas? How you like it?
It's cool. I'm actually in Atlanta right now though.
Oh yeah, I'm headed to Atlanta.
But I love Houston though.
Oh yeah, so
I love Houston. Like I really love Houston.
you heard of a city called McLean, Texas?
LaClain?
Yeah, it's like a suburb of Houston. It's like
How far is it from Houston? Hey Google, put volume on 5%.
I'm about to be closing on a.
Hey y'all, give me the 9,000. I'ma take a shot. Woo 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 woo. Get me to 9,000.
Yeah. What's in Atlanta? You hosting something out there?
No, I live out here.
Oh, okay. So you ain't in the clubs?
No, I'm not in the clubs.
No bottle girl and nothing?
No.
What's wrong with that? You make it seem like it's a bad thing.
It's nothing bad because I've been. That's like I done been down that road.
Okay. Now it's even sweeter right now, though. I mean, that road looking really good.
Thank you. I'm a businesswoman. I own properties and daycares and stuff like that. Like, you feel me?
Okay, yeah. I gotta come get in with you then. What's up?
I mean, shit. What's up?
But you gotta give me a portfolio or something. You got a LinkedIn account?
Do I got a LinkedIn account? No, but I got websites. Come on, give me the night. Y'all, bro, we halfway there. Halfway there. Where you at? You in Houston?
No, I'm moving to Houston in October. I'm from up north. But it's not moving to Houston. It's a suburb of Houston. But I'm a truck driver. I'm headed to, like I said, I'm headed to Georgia right now.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to tap in with you, though. I'm going to run some shit across your brain and see if you can fuck with it or not. But I just need to...
I do. I build business credit. I got mentorship.